Looking for a perfect place to call home in an active 55 and over community? This one has style, space, and a layout designed for easy living. And wait until you see the casita.
We are here at 2437 Traditions Loop in Paso Robles, inside the sought-after Traditions at River Oaks community.
With 2,330 square feet, this home is about comfort and convenience. Single-level living with plenty of room to entertain, relax, or work on your next passion project. And check out this kitchen.
From the French doors leading to the courtyard to these stunning solid surface countertops, every detail is designed for style and function. And this navy blue island, it's the perfect pop of color. You'll also find updated stainless steel appliances and both a formal dining area and an eat-in kitchen. So whether you're hosting guests or keeping it casual, you've got options.
The primary suite is designed for both relaxation and practicality, with plenty of space, natural light, and a well-appointed ensuite bathroom. Featuring dual sinks, a glassed enclosed shower, and a walk-in closet. You'll also find a second bedroom, plus this bonus room that's perfect as an office or a den. And for those who need a little extra space, this detached casita is a game changer. It's the perfect home office or creative space. Use it for hobbies, work, or even a personal retreat. It's totally flexible.
You get a 2-car garage plus a separate golf cart garage. Whether you're an avid golfer or just want extra space for your gear, extra space is a huge bonus. The outdoor spaces here are just as inviting. A gated front courtyard offers privacy, while the backyard patio is perfect for soaking in those Paso Robles sunsets.
And with OWN Solar, you're not just living beautifully, you're living efficiently.
This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle. Traditions at River Oaks offers more than just a beautiful place to live. Picture yourself starting the day with a swim in the Olympic-sized pool, unwinding in the spa, or staying active in the fitness center. Want to connect with neighbors? Well, the clubhouse, library, and year-round social events make it easy to feel at home in this vibrant community.
And when you're ready to explore, you're minutes from world-class wineries, vineyards, golf courses, and local shopping. It's the best of Paso Robles living all in one place. And this home offers comfort, community, and convenience. A rare find in Traditions at River Oaks.
If this home feels like a fit for you, let's make it happen. Reach out today for a private tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more Central Coast real estate. Your dream home might be in our next video.